Get to know the HANS Premium Water Appliance, the whole house system that turns well water or city water into really, really, really clean water. The HANS Premium Water Appliance uses a 4-stage system. First, the Stage 1 sediment filter removes dirt, sand, and any other large debris. It lasts for up to 1 year or 100,000 gallons. Next, the Stage 2 carbon filter removes chlorine, sulfur, foul odors, and tastes. It also lasts for up to 1 year or 100,000 gallons. Stage 3 consists of proprietary reverse osmosis membranes that carry a 20-year warranty. These membranes have been third-party tested for the removal of a host of contaminants, including lead, arsenic, hexavalent chromium, and other dangerous contaminants to less than 1 part per billion, iron and PFAS to less than 0.02 parts per billion, and hardness to less than 1 part per million without salt. The complete test results can be found at hanspremiumwater.com. The Stage 4 calcite filter adds trace amounts of calcite to the water to neutralize its pH balance and add taste. Then, all of that really, really, really clean water goes into a pressure tank that serves the household. The built-in monitor shows expected remaining filter and membrane life, as well as figures for water usage, inlet and outlet pressure, and total dissolved solids. The HANS Premium Water Appliance is also Wi-Fi compatible. Its mobile app alerts you when it's time to change filters or if service is required. There you have it, the HANS Premium Water Appliance. For more information, go to hanspremiumwater.com.